Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today, why are you on this side? You should be on this side. Okay, so sorry about this lighting. It's pretty bad. Today we are going to Michael's Crafts. That's a little bit better.
I have two 40% off coupons.
So when you have coupons, you go shopping. She wants to get some brush pens.
Fine liner pens.
Fine liner pens.
And maybe a notebook.
And a notebook. And I am going to be looking for planters. We popped in there yesterday or 2 days ago. Yesterday. And I saw some like garden stuff on clearance. So we're doing our garden now in the backyard, as you know. So why am I holding this so high? Here, come over here. We are doing our garden area, so I want to get some stuff for the garden, and then I'll show you where whatever we get, I'll do a haul and I'll show you where we put it in the garden at the end of this video. And I just noticed, look at our, what are those called back there? Oh shoot, Laura from Garden Answer would know. Let's go see. Little bushes are coming up. Shoot, she just did a video on these and now I forgot the name. Rawr. And we also have a communion party later for my best friend Nikki's son, who was in a previous video, which I'll link there or there. I don't know. You can click on it later. Go back and click on it. I don't know. How does that work? Then you don't finish the video if you click on the link.
You could go back in the video, then click on it.
Okay, do that. And so we're kind of like in a time crunch. So this should be a shorter video. We'll see. Okay. We're at Michael's. My hair is a mess. So ignore the appearance. Yard, the exact one, and it catches my rainwater. Should we get another one?
If we do, we get one in yellow.
Yellow?
Yellow.
Yeah, that is cute.
It's really cute.
Here you go, obsession with chairs. Must sit in every chair. I like these cushions. Yeah, that's where I want to be. So this stuff is 70% off. I kind of love this. We don't live in a farmhouse, but these are cute too. $30, so it's probably like 12.
Those plates are cute.
Those birdhouses are adorable, and they're in the Easter section, so they're 70% off. I think this is so cute. Okay, so this is the aisle I was talking about. Everything is 50% off. I love the cream color things. These are adorable. So a little bird can fit in there. I mean, obviously, right? 22, so 11. That's adorable. $4. That would look cute at our front door. I really like this, but it looks like they're broken. In $40. Yeah, no. These are cute, but we're not growing herbs this year. But I think that they're super cute. Rosemary. Okay. This is cute. And we just finished our garden, which will be another video. $6, half off. I know it's silly, but I always like these little stakes. I think they're so cute. I think I might have to get them.
Yeah.
Those are cute.
Do you think I should get them?
I like them. You can use them on thank you cards for your
Etsy shop.
Oh, another video soon to come about what this kid's doing. Big things, big things.
Well, many things, but big things.
I keep seeing this, but I keep passing it up because it's just a cover pot stand, but I really love it. I love these. How cute is he? So this is all 50% off as well. And I love this little bird bath. It's a tabletop one. So look cute in our little garden. Ooh, that's hefty. This is so pretty. I love this. Cute. Oh, these are really cute too, you guys. These would be cute for succulents. Those are adorable. I do have a succulent video project coming out. Just wanted to say that before I forgot. Those are different. Mini bird of paradise. It's fake, but it's pretty cute. I love these. Yeah, those are really pretty too. These guys, no drain hole, but I mean, they're adorable. I have to get credit where due because these fake succulents, they are really stepping their game up. I mean, they're pretty lifelike for the most part. I was into fake plants at one time and I would have totally loved all this. Oh, those are awesome. How much is that?
$26.
Wow, but it's half off.
Oh, yes.
So it's $13, which isn't that bad. Oh, look at those pillows. Oh, those are $15 a piece, so only $3 more than the other ones.
Look at these baskets.
Oh, I love this one. These are really cool. Could propagate something in there.
They're $6.
Those are cute. Could use it as like a cover pot.
It's a shelf.
I need this in my life. $5. Keep it on the table outside for popping open some beer.
It's $20.
Because it's $40?
Yes.
I mean, it's pretty darn cute.
So pretty.
I know. I don't think that these are for outside though, but I really want to get one for the backyard. These little fake trees are so cute. Oh, I like this Terra Cotta, Mia. Oh, damn it. Like, why isn't there a drain hole? You're killing me. You're killing me, Michaels. Seriously. And this real Terra Cotta. Why wouldn't you put a drain hole? I'm all about the 4th of July decor. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are like adorable little plant stands.
I would get one in that color.
Regular color?
You can use it all year round.
It's so cute. There's nothing in it, right? Just put like a outdoor light. 50% off. That's kind of pricey. So we want to get some string lights for out back, but we don't have electricity running to where we would want them. These are so cute. Oh, I love these. Damn it. We got to figure that out. I think we're going to have to run an extension. Oh, those are cuter. So cute. Okay, so we both got some stuffs. Okay guys, I'm home. Let's see what I got. I got these 2 little mushroom steaks. They were $4 a piece and I got them half off, so they were $2. I think they're adorable. I think I might stick them in my lavender or in my garden bed. Then I got this welcome sign. Hi Jazzy. I'm gonna put this by the front door. It's concrete. This was $8 and I got it for $4. And then I got this garden sign, which I'm gonna hang on the wooden fence in the backyard. This was 12 and I got it for 6. Gonna hang up the garden sign. I think we're gonna put it here. Our garden is down here, so I think that'd be kind of cute if we just hung it like right over there. All right, we're gonna eyeball it. All right, this is how I measure, guys. Shall we see? Hang it. And then that has to go right there. Mark it. Should be fine. Moment of truth. Cute, guys, right? Garden's here. I mean, it's kind of lost on the wall, but that's okay. All right, so this is our little bench area with our lavender and our weeping pussy willow tree that's not growing, but it's fine. So I'm gonna have like a hanging planter here, hanging planter here. These solar lights light up and they flicker, which is pretty cool. So then I'll probably put another hanging planter there too. And then I'll put some more decor on this fence, but hey, you gotta start somewhere, right? So now I'm going to stick these. I was thinking in the lavender, but they'll kind of be hidden. So maybe we'll stick them in the plant over here. So this one has some dill planted back here. And this is just some lemon coral sedum. And this is a ivy that I'm trying to train to grow up this fence. So maybe I'll stick one in here. There's one mushroom. I think it's cute. I'm gonna stick the other one in the potato bed. Isn't it cute? It's like a little bobblehead. Let's put this outside. What do you think? There? Or like in the flower bed? Let me try that. Okay, that looks super cute. It's not laying on any plants. This one's like in front, so this will grow in front of it. And the sedum will fill it in. I don't think I showed you guys this, but in my last video when we potted this up, we just had these here with these gorgeous little guys. Can't remember the names. But I came in and I moved 2 of these plants back and I planted this lemon coral sedum in here because this is a great vase filler and it's gonna trail like all down the pot. So I think that looks really cute. I think when somebody comes up to the door, they're gonna see that. And maybe once it gets covered, I can like readjust it if the plants grow over it, but I love that. All right, guys. Nobody's around me. I always feel weird recording. Talking on my phone. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. We have a ton of ideas for the backyard. I know I started this channel as a houseplant channel and it's definitely still as a houseplant. I do not have a green thumb when it comes to planting outdoors, but we're doing a lot of container planting. So I can, you know, we can bring those in the fall and in the winter. So I kind of feel like you guys might still enjoy some of that content. So my husband and I were just talking about the backyard and what we're gonna do, and we have some kind of big plans. Nothing like crazy, but some fun stuff, and it'll be different. So look forward to those videos, and we will see you in my next one.